Hi everybody, it's Morah. So a lot of you have been learning about Israel because it's Israel's birthday next week, Yom HaAtzmaut. So a lot of you maybe have been talking about different places in Israel or different foods that we eat in Israel. So today I'm going to be making and teaching you how to make pickles. Just different than Israeli pickles, but it's delicious. So the first thing, I prepare the vegetables. I usually do celery and peppers, but I didn't have peppers, so I use carrots instead. You can cut it in whichever shape you'd like. I like to cut them, the carrots in strips, and the celery I cut in small pieces. So you can use whichever vegetable you want. So what we're gonna need is, you're gonna need kosher salt, vinegar, and 5 cups of water. Okay, so we're gonna use 5 cups of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and a little bit less than a half a cup of kosher salt. Okay, so you're gonna boil these 3 ingredients together. My pot is boiling right now. And while that's boiling, I'm going to fill the vegetables into a mason jar. You can use a container, any type of jar. And you put like around 7 or 8 garlics inside the jar. Okay, so once you put that in, now you could start filling your vegetables inside the jar. Okay, make sure it all fits in the jar. Shake it around a little bit. Okay. And if you don't want to overcrowd your jar, you could use 2 jars. And you can mix the vegetables, it doesn't really matter. Okay, let's shake that up. Okay, so once your vegetables are in your jar and your water is the 3 ingredients are boiling, we're going to pour it over the vegetables. Okay, so I'm going to grab my pot. It's very hot, so just be very careful. Okay, and do it over the sink so the liquid gets in the sink. And you're going to pour it over. Fill it to the top, and any leftover you could spill out, and then you're going to cover it, and you can leave it on the counter for about 3 days. I usually leave it, and then in about 3 days you could put it in the refrigerator to get cold.